Imagine a kitchen appliance that's as stylish as it is functional, turning mundane meal prep into a glamorous affair. This Paris Hilton Air Fryer, large 6-quart capacity, non-stick made without PFAS, touchscreen display, 8-in-1 is exactly that. A dazzling pink powerhouse that's taken TikTok by storm and earned a permanent spot on my countertop. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a lifestyle upgrade that makes healthy cooking effortless, quick, and oh so chic. Why the Paris Hilton Air Fryer steals the show? I'll admit, I was skeptical. Could an air fryer branded by Paris Hilton really deliver on performance, or was it just a pretty face? After weeks of testing, I'm hooked. This 6-quart beauty combines cutting-edge technology with a design that screams sophistication. Whether you're a busy mom, a meal prep enthusiast, or a home cook craving guilt-free indulgence, this air fryer delivers. Here's why it's worth the hype. Iconic design. The pink exterior with gold accents and an illuminated touchscreen display makes this air fryer a countertop centerpiece. It's not just an appliance, it's decor. Unlike bulky utilitarian air fryers, this one begs to be shown off. 8-in-1 versatility. With settings for air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, keep warm, pizza, and dehydrate, this air fryer handles everything from crispy fries to homemade pizza. I even baked a chocolate cake in it. Yes, it's that versatile. Guilt-free cooking. Thanks to its 1700-watt technology, it uses up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. I've been enjoying golden, crispy chicken wings without the oil-soaked guilt. Family-friendly capacity. The 6-quart basket is perfect for feeding a crowd or meal prepping for the week. I cooked a whole pizza for a family movie night, and there was still room for sides. Effortless cleanup. The nonstick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher-safe, and the exterior wipes clean with a damp cloth. No more scrubbing greasy messes. Hallelujah! Customizable cooking. Adjust the temperature. 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and time to suit any recipe. The intuitive touchscreen makes it easy, even for kitchen newbies. Solving everyday cooking woes. Let's face it, cooking can be a hassle. Waiting for the oven to preheat feels like an eternity, and deep frying leaves a greasy mess and extra calories. The Paris Hilton Air Fryer solves these problems with flair. Its rapid hot air circulation cooks food evenly and quickly, no preheating required. I whipped up crispy French fries in under 15 minutes, and my kitchen stayed spotless. Plus, the non-stick coating, free of PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE, gives me peace of mind about cooking safely for my family. Who's this air fryer for? This air fryer is perfect for busy professionals. Quick meals without sacrificing flavor or health. Families. The 6-quart capacity feeds 4 to 6 people easily. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried favorites with less fat. Style enthusiasts. Elevate your kitchen aesthetic with its trendy pink and gold design. Social media savants. This air fryer's photogenic look is TikTok and Instagram ready. I recently hosted a Friendsgiving, and this air fryer was the star of the show. I roasted a whole chicken, dehydrated fruit for snacks, and baked cornbread, all in one sleek appliance. My guests couldn't stop raving about the food and the fryer's chic vibe. Real-world testing. My experience. To put this air fryer to the test, I tried a variety of recipes. Here's what stood out. Air frying. Chicken nuggets came out perfectly crispy in 12 minutes with no oil needed. The kids devoured them. Baking. I was skeptical about baking in an air fryer, but a batch of brownies turned out fudgy and delicious. Dehydrating. I made apple chips for a healthy snack, and the process was so easy I'm now hooked on dehydrating everything. Pizza mode. A frozen pizza cooked evenly, with a crispy crust that rivaled my oven's results. The touchscreen is a game changer, responsive, clear, and beginner-friendly. I also love how quiet it is compared to other air fryers I've tried. The only minor hiccup? The basket can be a bit tricky to close if you overfill it, but I quickly learned to keep portions in check. Why it's a smart investment. At its price point, the Paris Hilton Air Fryer offers premium features without breaking the bank. The 8-in-1 functionality means you're getting multiple appliances in one, saving counter space and money. Plus, its energy-efficient design cooks faster than a traditional oven, potentially lowering your energy bills. For anyone looking to simplify cooking while adding a touch of glamour, this air fryer is a no-brainer. The Paris Hilton Air Fryer isn't just a tool, it's a statement. It's for those who want to cook smarter, healthier, and with serious style. Whether you're frying, baking, or dehydrating, this 8-in-1 wonder delivers every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Imagine a kitchen appliance the